Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.
Walaikum assalam.
What's your name?
My name is Jason.
Ifti Hassan. Ifti, where are you from? Where is your home?
My home is Dinaspur Bangladesh.
Dinaspur Bangi Bacha. Alhamdulillah. Well, what class do you study? Which class?
I read in class 3.
You read in class 3. Okay. And your madrasa name?
My mother's name is Friends Care Arabic International Version.
Okay. Well, how many brother and sister do you have?
And one brother, one sister.
One brother and one sister. Okay. So can you tell us some dua? I will ask you and you will give me answer. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So what do you say when you enter to the masjid?
Allahumma aftah li abwaaba rahmatik.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah. And what do you say when you enter to the toilet?
Allahumma a'udhu bika min al-khubsi wal khaba'is.
Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min al-khubsi wal khaba'ith. MashaAllah, very good. And what do you say before eating?
Bismillah.
And after eating?
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. Okay. So what is the dua when you sleep?
Allahumma bismika amtu wa ahya.
MashaAllah. So, okay, great. Alhamdulillah. Thank you very much. MashaAllah. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.
Walaikum assalam.